Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I got some bullish news to share with you guys. First off, the GBP wallet, the fiat wallet, is now live once again as promised by Chris, and also 5.6 billion CRO is just burned, which means there's 4.8 billion CRO to still be burned. As we can see, he posted it at 1 a.m. on April 1st. It's not an April Fool's prank, as he linked the details and everything right there. You can see the transaction and where it got sent to and everything, so it was legit. Still plans to burn, a total of 10.4 billion. As we can see, some of that was just burned, so that means there's only 4.8 billion CRO to still be burned. All right, so now for Mainnet. CRO whale just with 1.4 billion CRO just migrated their CRO to Mainnet from Bittrex to obviously probably the DeFi wallet. That's probably going to be the easiest way. And if we go over here, we can see they are advertising about the Crypto.org chain Mainnet being launched, which is really good that they started advertising it, and they did it at a good amount for 50%, although obviously it's lowered since then, a little under 40%. And now for some super top secret insider information I got from the public Discord that anyone can read. A staff member actually just messaged me saying that soon we will be able to choose our own validators on the DeFi wallet, which will help with competition for validators to lower their commission and also make it more decentralized, as currently the DeFi wallet only chooses Crypto.com validators. And one thing I do want to mention is for the Crypto.org chain, we can see that there has been a total of 1 billion CRO delegated on chain. So if you're staking on chain, this is part of the delegated amount that's on there. And there's a total supply of 30 billion CRO, and the fact that 1/30th billion is on there, that's amazing how fast it has gotten there already. And the staking on chain is still like around 38%, which is pretty good for knowing that 1 billion is staked on chain. And just remember that the target APY is 20%, so it should average out around there. And it was JJ Crypto that said, currently it is not possible to choose validators on DeFi wallet at the moment. That feature will be supported in future releases, so it is coming. Be on the lookout for the AMA that Chris Marzalek will be doing on April 8th, 4 p.m. Hong Kong time. And if you don't think you'll have the time to watch it all, then I do plan on making an AMA recap on it for the most important topics discussed in it, because I'm going to shorten it a lot and just kind of give you guys the main points to it. Lastly, Crypto.com just released a Visa consumer card spending report. This report is basically just what type of spending is being done on their Visa debit card, which I honestly thought was pretty interesting. We can look at it, out of home spending categories, top food delivery platforms, all this different stuff. You guys can check it out, and it's just on their own debit card, so not like Visa cards in general, but on the actual prepaid Visa debit card of Crypto.com's, like the Ruby Red, Jade Green, all of that. So I think that's pretty cool that they actually launched this, released it, and it's for 2020, so just of last year. Hopefully they do this each year, because I think that's really cool. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all the news that I have for you guys about Crypto.com with the burns, the fiat wallet now being live, as everyone was worrying about this and freaking out because it was the last day of March and it still wasn't out, or I think it was like a week before the end of March and people were freaking out. But, Chris delivered also, I don't know if you guys saw, but it's the world's first USDC settlement with a Visa, which was really cool how they did that. And obviously, virtual cards, all this stuff, this, Crypto.com NFT launch, CRO Mainnet Live, Global Alliance partnership with Visa. So in March, there was a ton of, bullish news that has been launching for Crypto.com. So April should be pretty good as well. Let's hope for some more bullish news to come out for this month and future months. It's been good so far. Crypto.com's making big moves and partnering with the right people and advertising and everything. So I definitely do think that CRO is in good hands with Chris. Right? CRO is still looking pretty bullish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.